everyone, my name is Raigna and welcome to my channel Beauty with Nana. Today we will be reviewing the Remington H9000 hot rollers, and I've owned these babies for a while already, but I never reviewed them officially because my hair is very thin, very flat. And when my hair was extremely long, which is when my husband got me the hot rollers, it just like stayed with a very mild wave. I actually thought that it was maybe because my hair was too long and it wasn't wrapping around correctly around the rollers for it to hold the heat, whatever. So now that my hair is much shorter, I want to officially review it and see if it's maybe the hot rollers or it was my hair. Let's see how it works, see the outcome. If you're not a part of the Beauty with Nana family, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell button, so that YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. And welcome. I do have already some products. My hair is just washed and I have applied 3 products on them after, just because my hair is super flat and disgusting and I hate it, and I want volume. So if you want volume, just a hot tool is not gonna do it because your hair is not gonna hold it. So first, I am protecting my hair and hydrating it, and I'm using the Milkshake Incredible Milk 12 Effects, which is amazing and smells like dessert, and the Integrity Incredible Oil from Milkshake also. I use both of these because I have been doing so many colors in my hair recently that I just need it to be as healthy as possible, and these products have saved my hair. So after that, while still wet, I applied the Garnier Mega Full Thickening Lotion just in my roots, and that's what's giving me this volume up top. But if you see, my hair is still very straight because that's just my natural hair. Ignore that car horn in the background sound. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, see, it's very straight because that's just the way my hair is. What can I do? So this baby has been connected for like 5 minutes. It's kind of hot already, so let's just start applying them. Okay, if it falls on your forehead, it burns. Okay, so that's not fun. Alright, so you have to clip it properly so that it doesn't burn the heck out of your forehead. Fucker! Sorry. Alright, and now with all the rollers in place, I had 3 left over. And it's very hot around my ears. Very hot, but not something I can't handle, I think. I'm gonna let these cool off, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And maybe I should have done this first and then my makeup. But I'm just gonna watch some TV. And I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I freaking love it. I love it. I love the volume. I love the waves. They look incredible. I still need to get like a hold of how to get it looking right, but it is amazing. It looks incredible. I love the low lights in my hair with these waves, guys. Oh shoot. Oh damn. Okay, estoy enamorada. Apparently it was the length of my hair the problem, because these look amazing. They are so bouncy, so full of life. Check this out. Look at the low lights, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm in love. This is definitely love. It is. Alright, just a few things. You need to be careful on this when unwrapping this side. This is the side that goes in the metal so that the roller can heat up. When you're unwrapping the hair, sometimes the hair gets stuck here, so you can't do it really fast. You need to like do it carefully. But I love it. That's like the only con. And okay, yeah, maybe the heat on my ears, but that's normal when you're using heat. Come on. And this looks incredible. I will apply some hairspray just because I want this to stay forever. And I'm gonna use the herbal essences. The herbal essences Set Me Up Beautiful, Beautiful, Bold Hold. And guys, I love this. Okay, so definitely for me a 9.5 out of 10, and I'm just gonna give that 9.5 because the 0.5 is for that little part that gets your hair stuck, and that's it. But that's no problem to me. I mean, I don't give a fuck. This is amazing. I love the waves in my hair. This is incredible. It looks beautiful. So yeah, I loved it. I hope you guys liked it. The price for this, I will be putting it below, but I'll just look it up right now because it's been so long I don't even remember. And I'm looking it up in Amazon, and it's actually more expensive than I thought. $77. It's actually not as cheap as I thought, but definitely worth it. If you have medium to short hair, this shit is definitely worth it. I love it so much. It's 1 to 1 1/4 inch rollers. Yeah. Alright people, so hope you like it. If you did, thumbs up and share. And if you're a new subscriber, just let me know in the comments. Give me your name and I'll give you a shout out in the next English video. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Love you.